Welcome back to another diecast showcase. Today I will be taking a look at this, the newest Hot Wheels Redline Club release. It is the Golf Porsche 959, showing off the outer box and all that. There's your big Porsche official licensed product sticker that they shove on every single release that they do for Mattel Creations. Anyway, here we go. Gonna take a look at this. So this went on sale this past Tuesday. I don't remember the date. I think it was it the I don't remember the date. It's been too long. I don't know. Today is, I think, the 18th. So the 17th was Thursday. It would have been the 15th, right? This would have gone on sale. Oh, look at that. Another Porsche official licensed product. Little print there on the bottom of the base. So yes, this went on sale. There's that if you want to read all that, look for typos, which those sometimes happen. This went on sale, I believe, April 15th. It sold out in about 15 minutes. And yeah, here it is. Also, not screwed into the base. I actually brought my screwdriver for nothing because this is not screwed in the base. So here we go. We're going to take a look at it. This sold out in 15 minutes, so you cannot buy this anymore. You'd have to go to eBay if you so want it. Oh gosh, this thing's not coming off. Oh, I got one half off. You know what? I think I might just have to slide it out like this. There we go. I'll get that out. All right, so this is not screwed into the base. So if you're taking this out of the package like me, be careful. Make sure the model is secured. And here it is. So the Porsche 959, this is, I believe, its 5th version. This casting released, actually, it was 2 years ago, back in, I think, May of 2023. It was in red. Then later that year, we got it in black. Last year, it was a convention model in yellow for the Los Angeles Hot Wheels convention. And then it was in blue, which was a regular RLC release. And now we have this version in Golf livery. So it does not feature Spectre Flame paint. It's just the regular light blue Golf color, as you can see. Got number 59 there, probably for 959. Got the Golf logo there. Door handle is printed in. You have the orange trim. The chrome 6-spoke rail riders. I believe this is the first time this casting gets the 6 spokes, which look actually pretty nice on this. It does look pretty good, especially all nice and chromed up. You have the back. It says Golf 959. The license plate's actually, it's a bit crooked on mine. Not quite square. There's a Porsche there on the back. It's actually a little fuzzy. They use dot matrix printing on this. Let me get up kind of close there. You can see it's a bit fuzzy. I don't know. Here's the bottom. You got a little bit of detail printed here on the back for the engine right there. Here's the front. You have the headlights. You have the Porsche badge. You have the Golf logo. Orange front there. The seats are actually painted a different color. They're actually orange. Trying to see if there's any other sneaky little details in there. I think it's just you get the orange seats, which is pretty cool. And this casting does have a party trick where the back opens up and you do have some engine detail in there. Actually looks pretty good. You see the Porsche logo there, some other small details. Actually looks pretty good down there. Some RLC castings, the engine details look kind of blobby. Mazda RX-7. This one actually looks pretty good. Shuts really nicely, closes nicely. You have the side mirrors there. You have some black window trim. Some more black detailing. And yeah, overall, it's actually the first one I've ever opened because every other release of the 959 has actually been in an acrylic, in a carbon blister. This is the first time they're doing an acrylic case model. That shuts really nicely. I'm a big fan of it. This thing is nice. This is really nice. You know, it's not Spectre Flame, but I think it's kind of cool because, you know, it's the iconic Golf color. So it matches really well. And Hot Wheels has done this for some RLC Golf models. I believe they did the Ford Raptor in a Golf livery for RLC, as well as a few years ago, it was the Datsun 510 in Golf. And they didn't have Spectraflame paint. It just had the regular Golf blue color. Do they actually, is there an actual like, yeah, they actually call this Golf blue. It's that very iconic light blue with the orange. And like I said, I really like this. I think this is cool. Fast sellout. I think it was limit 2 per customer. So this did go pretty fast. Being a 959, being Golf livery, just ended up being really popular. I really like the wheels on it, actually, in chrome. They look really nice. And yeah, really good release. Really cool. Another good version of it. Porsche's been really hot lately, as we have seen with all the various Porsche models we've been getting, and this one is no exception. Just another great Porsche. Looks nice. I really dig it. Just showing off all the details. Just looks really nice. It's a really nice model. Just, yeah, very cool. Really like how this turned out. I actually really like this. And yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? I think it's pretty cool. I think the Golf livery really works on this, and I think it looks really nice, and it's a well done casting. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.